Here we are at our 1977 Sumerset 14 by 58 foot aluminum houseboat for sale. It's an aluminum hull, even though it is a 1977. There is a transferable slip available here on the Knoxville corner of Norris Lake. We're right across from the wildlife area. It's not going to be this exact slip. This boat's actually going to be moved any day now. It's going to be in a double slip with another boat about the same size as it. But it will be here at this same marina. Again, that's transferable if the buyer wishes to keep it here. And this is a little bit of a project boat, or a fixer-upper, or mechanic special, whatever you want to call it. It is going to be priced accordingly. We're here for our video walkthrough. Again, this is an aluminum hull boat, so it is worth fixing up. It's going to make somebody a good boat, but it does need some work. I'll mention all that. And there's also going to be a few items that are excluded with the sale. This is a single engine power boat. The patio chairs here on the front porch are going to be excluded. The table can stay, the grill can stay. This is a newer stainless charbroil grill with the side burner. Do have a storage hatch right here on the front porch, and somebody's basically built a little storage hatch here. Carpet on the exterior is newer. Alright, we're stepping inside here. Here's our Helm Station. Got an AM FM cassette stereo. We've got a VHF radio that does work. Engine is showing 436 hours. Now that engine is not running right now. I'll get to that when we get to the stern of the boat. Dining table and chairs are not included. Those are also excluded. Living room furniture can stay, and the appliances will be stayed. We've got an electric refrigerator and freezer. An electric Princess 3-burner oven and range. Coffee maker. It's a double stainless sink. We've got 12-volt and 110 lighting here. The flooring has been updated in this boat. That's not original carpeting or flooring. The counters and countertops are, as well as the paneling, all is original. We've got a wet bar over here. Kenmore microwave. Now we've got a roof air unit overhead. This unit is not working right now at the moment. As I mentioned, this boat is going to be sold as is. These beams are kind of signatures for Sumerset. People would use that space as storage. Trying to give you the full 360 tour without making you nauseous while you're watching this. And we've also got storage underneath. And there's a hatch underneath that chairs there. Now down below we've got a 10-gallon electric hot water heater, approximately a 70-gallon aluminum waste holding tank, and a pair of 65-gallon plastic freshwater tanks. 12-volt water pump does not appear to be hooked up at the current time, but there is one on board. You can also use dock water here, which I believe is how the seller has been using the boat currently. This is a set of full-size bunk beds. Notice I'm stepping down into the hull a little bit. We call this just a step down. It's a very common layout for Sumerset. They made this layout from the, let's see, the 70s through the early 90s. Full-size bunk beds, drawers built in underneath, full-size bunk overhead. You can see we do have some water damage on the ceiling here, and a little bit on that exterior wall. I'll show you that on the outside of the boat when we get there. I think that window's keeping that shot from showing up very well. We also will refer to this as a hall bunk layout. So it's a hall bunk layout with a step down. I mean, you got bunk beds in a hallway, you've got a full bathroom here, and then you've got your master stateroom in the back. You've got sliding doors that closes all of this off. So let me show you here. That door is going to slide over, and at night you can keep all these doors closed, and whoever's in the bunk beds can access the bathroom, and then your master bedroom can access the bathroom through here. You've got another sliding door there. That's a marine head, one full bath with a walk-in shower, and a little corner vanity sink. Again, about a 70-gallon aluminum waste holding tank with a pump out. This is a queen-size master bed. We've got storage drawers on either side of the master bed, built-in nightstands on either side as well. That's a sliding door for the rear deck, and storage built in underneath. Now this roof air unit does work, and we've got built-in dresser drawers and two hanging lockers here on the rear deck. So now I'm not going to go through this door because we've got some canvas covering it. That canvas is mainly there just for some shade, some weatherproofing. So I'm going to go back out to the front porch, and we'll have a look on the rear deck. Stepping up to the main level. Out on the front porch. And I'm just going to hop back off here on the dock side, walk around to the rear. We're going to have the current asking price of this boat at our website, which is www.yournewboat.com. We don't discuss those in the video tour because those will often change. And this one, as I said, this one will be priced accordingly. Now this is an 8 kW Kohler generator. This is currently not working. And here's our MerCruiser 228 TR. That's a V8 inboard-outboard stern drive engine. That also is currently not operational. We've got two 50-gallon aluminum fuel tanks. One of those has been disconnected. One has been used. Now this boat has not been ran in some time, and the seller does wish to sell it as is, and they're pricing it accordingly. We will make this boat available to buyer inspection. You can bring a mechanic and try to have the engine generator diagnosed. We're going to make it available for you. Do have an onboard battery charger in there. That's a newer battery. At least one of those batteries was replaced in the spring of 2017 with an onboard charger. We need that battery for some battery power inside the boat, as well as to work the head or the commode. Here's a swim boarding ladder that hangs over the rear deck. Actually, it also will hang over the side deck. That basically mounts onto your railing and goes down. 5-step swim boarding ladder. Here's your steps to the rooftop. As you can see, this roof looks to be in poor condition. It appears to be solid walking around it. I'm not feeling any obvious signs of rot or moisture intrusion just from walking around. Now, a marine surveyor has not checked this boat out yet, and again, the boat is going to be offered subject to buyer inspection, so we will make it available for a mechanical inspection or marine survey. But the roof does need to be recoated. But again, it appears to be in at least solid, free of any obvious moisture intrusion. Now we do have some moisture intrusion in the sidewalls. I'm going to point that out to you. I've got a catwalk around the exterior of this boat. Right here near where this step down is in the roof is where we've got some obvious moisture intrusion just on the field test. Unable to tell if that is a current active leak or just an old leak. A marine surveyor will be able to tell you more on that. And we've got basic moisture intrusion in the same spot on the other side. I'll walk right back around to the dock side. And this gas line that you see here is an old gas line that is no longer being used. At one time there was probably a gas refrigerator in this boat. it is electric now. So here's some of that moisture damage on this wall. And about right here is solid again. And coming the other way, starts to solid up right in here. So it's mainly under that window, a little bit above the window, and down to above the lower window. Again, the current asking price is going to be found at www.yournewboat.com. You can contact us through our website to schedule a viewing, for any questions, to make an offer. You can contact us by phone, by email, by text. Visit the website, click the Find Your New Boat button. It's going to show you everything in our inventory and order a price. Just scroll down until you see this one. Again, it's a 1977 Sumerset 14 by 58 aluminum hull houseboat for sale here on Norris Lake. If you call us and you get our voicemail, please leave us a message. We're often in areas with either spotty or no cell phone reception at all. Leave us a message. We will call you back when we're available. Again, if you don't leave us a message, sometimes we don't even know if you called. Of course, you can also shoot us an email or send us a text message for sometimes a faster response. Thank you again for joining us. Any questions, contact us through our website.